Good morning guys, this is day 3. So, yung tropa nyo hindi siya nagluto ng breakfast. Si Lojang yung nagluto. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung niluto niya. So, ito ang aming breakfast guys. Noodles. And then, piece of egg. So, nakapag-breakfast na tayo guys. Approve. Si Lojang ay magaling magluto. So, maya-maya guys, punta na ako nito ng site. Say, kamusta? Kamusta?
What is that?
How are you in our language?
Okay, I'm fine, I'm good.
Say, kamusta?
Kamusta? Kamusta? Hey, Maria, my boss.
So, Musa will drive for me to Jambura. I have no car.
Yeah, you see? Today I will drive you because today your car, I think they use it.
Yeah, who's
Yeah.
driving? No car.
So how's it, family? Good morning.
Good morning.
So we are going to Jammu.
Yeah.
Yeah, with my boss. That's good.
Few moments later.
Bali guys pala, normally, umaalis ako ng site ng 12 PM. Pero this time, mag-11:30 pa lang. Pero sabi ko, sunduin na ako kasi nga, mamaya wala pa kaming lunch. So kung wala, kailangan pa magluto. At least, hindi sobrang late yung lunch. Hindi sobrang late makakakain. So, nawa may lunch guys ah. Ganito yung buhay ng walang cook ah. Kasi guys, ang pinag-usapan namin, either mag-lunch outside or hindi mag-lunch. So, ganun yung usapan namin, yung setup namin na ng mga katrabaho ko. Guys, umuwi na pala si Auntie Binta ah. Bali, hindi pala ako magluluto. Kakain kami sa labas. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung lunch namin guys. So guys, ito pala yung lugar kung saan nagpupunta yung mga tourist. Bali, ito yung place na maraming restaurants. They call it Senegambia.
A few minutes later.
Nangadep, say kamusta?
Kamusta?
Kamusta? So nakauwi na ako sa bahay. Bali magluluto pala ako ng dinner. So guys, dahil kumain kami sa labas ngayong tanghali, we will eat healthy foods this dinner time. So guys, mahalagang mahugasan ng tama ang ating mga gulay. So, pangalawang hugas na yun. So guys, magluto pala ako ng tokwat baboy. Tapos, yun nga, lettuce lang na may soybean paste. Tsaka lang capsicum na may egg and cheese. So, I will show you guys. So guys pala, nalimutan kong ipalabas kay Binta yung mga karne. So nagde-defrost pa lang tayo. Guys, bala ko palang gumawa ng capsicum with egg and cheese on top. So we will see guys. Guys, eto siya. Hindi ko alam kung successful ba o hindi. One down. So guys, we are cooking now. The soybean paste. Gigisa ko lang. Tapos lagyan ko lang ng karne. Guys, ito pala yung soybean paste na gagamitin ko. So guys, ito yung paste natin. No? So guys, ito yung another one. Guys, tapos na akong mag-dinner. Bali, yung isa namin katrabaho di pa kumakain. So, salamat guys sa panonood. Always remember, don't forget that you're amazing. Bye-bye!